Imagine taking all of Niagara Falls and squeezing it into a single drop of water. Sounds harmless, right? It's just one drop, but let's see what actually happens. Niagara Falls dumps about 2.4 million liters of water every second. That's roughly a billion bathtubs worth of water in just one day. Now, if all that water were magically compressed into a single droplet, the droplet would still weigh the same. It would still contain the entire Niagara Falls. Only now, instead of spreading out over the cliffs in a spectacular waterfall, it's concentrated into something about the size of a marble. So how heavy would this marble be? Well, it would weigh as much as the entire river system that feeds Niagara Falls. We're talking trillions of kilograms. Drop that on your foot and, well, there wouldn't be a foot anymore. Or a U. Or probably most of the surrounding landscape. The first problem is gravity. A droplet with that much mass wouldn't just sit on your finger. It would immediately sink into the earth, crushing everything beneath it, pulling in soil, rocks, and probably parts of Canada and New York along with it. And the second problem is density. Water molecules can only be packed so tightly before physics says no. If you try to cram all of Niagara Falls into a tiny drop, the water doesn't stay water. It turns into something more exotic. Under extreme compression, atoms collapse, electrons get squished, and you don't have water anymore. You have something closer to a neutron star. Congratulations. Instead of a pretty drop of water, you've created the beginning of a black hole. In other words, Niagara Falls just destroyed the planet. So the next time you see that beautiful waterfall, be glad it's not all in one drop. Because if it were, you wouldn't be around to admire it.